Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your Google account is active and Contacts Sync is enabled. Once done, open the Contacts app and switch to the Google account view so you work on cloud records, not device-only entries. Next, tap the app menu, go to Settings and trigger Sync Now. This forces the latest contacts to download. Do this first to avoid duplicate edits later, and make sure you have a reliable network. Slow Wi-Fi can stall sync operations and cause confusion. Now you manage and clean the list. You should run suggestions to merge duplicates because duplicates in your Google account replicate across devices. When editing a contact, change phone numbers, emails, or the contacts account. Make sure edits save to your Google account, not device only. Use labels to group contacts. Think family, work, vendors, and assign contacts to those labels for quick filtering. These steps keep your address book organized and make future searches and sharing faster and more reliable. Finish by confirming sync and creating a backup. Export a VCF file in Settings or verify contacts. Google.com shows the same list. That confirms cloud integrity. Share individual contacts via Share vCard when needed. If something goes wrong, first check your Google account status and network, then clear the contacts app cache and data and re-enable sync. If that fails, remove and re-add the Google account. This forces a fresh cloud sync. That one troubleshooting tip usually fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.